I can hear you. Some way for trouble, while others don't. There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, which I wish would go away.
Come on, move your body. Come on.
It's just the ringing in my ear, and if I hurt you, which I don't, unspoken for I fear. Everyone I've ever loved is here within these walls. I'm sorry, secret sobbing, but I'm knocking at your claws. I've had my adventure, I don't need something new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the What do you want? Yes, you've been keeping me awake. Are you here to distract me so you can make a big mistake? Or are you someone that acts a little bit like me, who knows deep down I'm not where I'm meant to be? Every day's a little harder as I feel my power grow. Don't you know there's part of me that longs to go into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Are you out there? Do you know me? Can you feel me? Can you show me? Where are you going? Don't leave me alone. How do I follow you into the
That was
unknown?
good. Kuya, that was good. You sing? I mean, that was...
Excuse me, what about me?
Oh, were you singing? Yeah.